I learned this after I was 40. When you add milk and mineral water to the chicken chop, you will be surprised. I put it on the stove. 1 tablespoon butter. After the butter melts, I add some vegetable oil. Mix. One tablespoon tomato paste. I roast the tomato paste well. One clove of garlic. My name is Tugba. I live in Turkey. Where are you watching from? Glad to see you on my channel. 1 kilogram chicken cutlet. I put chicken chops in the pan. I add spices: red sweet pepper, black pepper, thyme, salt. Add 1 cup of milk to 100 milliliters. Add a bottle of natural mineral water. How do you cook chicken chops? Close the lid and cook under control until it drains. 2 green peppers and 1 onion. Slice the onion. I give a lot of delicious recipes for those who like to cook at home. I also cut the green pepper. Thank you very much to those who supported my channel by subscribing. Who usually cooks at home, and I do. 250 grams mozzarella cheese. Grating cheese. I really wonder from which country you are watching. One tortilla bread. I add grated mozzarella cheese to the bread. Fold the bread in half. Chicken chops are cooked. I take cutlets to the plate. This is incredibly delicious. I was shocked. I add onion and pepper to the remaining oil in the pan and roast it well. Put the empty pan on the stove and fry the bread. Check the tortilla bread and fry both sides. Tortilla toasted the bread. Open the bread. Cheese glued the bread well. Add the roasted onion and pepper. Do you eat more chicken or red meat at home? Smash the cooked chops and put them between the bread. Kids like white meat more. Fold the bread and eat with pleasure. I'll show you by dividing it in half. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.